Hi everybody, this is our daily agenda for Thursday, May 17th. For today we are focusing on Typing Club for our Do Now and our summer postcards. We started this on Monday, so if you want a little bit more of an explanation on how to get that ball rolling, you can watch Monday's video. We're really talking about goals and what we want to do this summer. Additionally, it's in your Google Classroom, as always, it's Summer Goals Postcard. There is a template there. I'll show you guys here so you guys can see it. Oh, that's your 30-day writing challenge. There it is. And under your Summer Goals Postcard, these are your directions. Remember, you just want to include 3 goals. So, for example, I did it with you guys on Monday, learning more Spanish. I will accomplish this goal by reading a small book in Spanish. Swimming. I will accomplish this goal by finding the closest pool to me. Goal number 3, and how you're going to accomplish it. And then some songs named. That way you guys can remember, what are your goals? What do you want to do? Add some images of your goals. Let me see them. And then just insert them into here. Make sure that you don't have that yellow, ladies and gentlemen. I just put the yellow there so that you could see what you needed to fill in, but make sure you fix it. All right, ladies and gentlemen, that's what we will be doing and wrapping up for today. If you finish and complete your work, make sure you complete any and all missing work in this and any other class. All right, guys, I will see you guys in class.